Hi guys, it's Simran here and welcome back. I hope you all are doing really fine, and today I'm back with some really good home remedies for winter season, like for dry skin, chapped lips, or dead skin cells which you're gaining because of the weather or because of extreme cold. So what we will do today, I'm going to show you three different the kind of face packs or face scrubs which you can use in your daily routine to clear the dead skin cells from your face or from your skin. It can be used on your entire body, it can be used on your legs and hands as well for clearing out your dead skin cells. So first ingredient that I will be using is coffee. We don't want instant coffee, we want granular coffee. We can use any kind of coconut oil. Then we need honey. Try to get the most pure honey possible. We need a single banana, and the last thing that we need is sugar. So we will be using these 5 ingredients and creating 3 different skincare dry skinned winter season packs which will help your skin moisturize and bring a glow to your skin, which will help your skin feel healthy during winter seasons. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So we will be using coffee which is in the granular form. Now we need some coconut oil, just a few drops of coconut oil to make it into wet formula. Now we'll give it a soft mix. So once the paste is ready, all you need to do is clean your face with a wet wipe or a wet towel, or even you can go and do a normal face wash. Take a little bit and use your fingers to apply it on your face. So after you apply this coffee and coconut oil mixture to your face, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes and then scrub it and wash it off. So the second winter pack that I am bringing to you is banana and honey. So this is more efficient for people with oily skin, and banana and honey acts as a really good moisturizer for winter season. So all we have to do is take a small portion of banana and smash it. After this, we will be adding a little bit of honey. You can use any commercial honey that you find. Mix it up. After you mix up banana and honey, try to remove as many lumps as possible and make a proper paste out of it. Then start applying to a clean face. After applying the pack, wait for 10 to 15 minutes and let the skin get moisturized with the benefits of honey and banana. And once after the time is up, 15-20 minutes, just wipe it off with a wet cloth, or you can wash it off with any face wash that you use. So let's skip on to the last winter remedy for your dry skin. We will be using 2 ingredients again. The first is sugar. Get it a little powdered, so that will be better. And coconut oil. Mixture of these two will also exfoliate your skin, make it glow and clear out your dead skin cells, your dirt that is in your pores. It will clear everything out and the oil will moisturize it. So let's begin with the mixture. This is the powdered sugar. It is not fully powdered, it is semi-powdered. We're taking a spoon of it. We'll be using coconut oil, any coconut oil that is available. After the mixture is ready, it will look something like this. Take the mixture and start applying it on your face. Now the best way to apply sugar is start scrubbing it directly. Now all we will do is scrub in circular motions. So as you can see, my skin literally went from dry and flaky to moisturized and soft. That is the result of home remedies rather than buying all these costly moisturizers outside. Just to get a home remedy, there are so many things that you can use which are available right in your kitchen. And you can use it for your skin, for your eyes, for your hair, for your lips. There are so many benefits of all these things and I will be showing them soon. So subscribe to my channel, like and comment below what is your skin problem and how should I give you a solution to it. And follow our Instagram page, which is Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials. Follow my Instagram page, which is Makeover by Simran. And thank you for watching.